Imagine a digital world infused with optimism, where technology felt not just functional, but beautiful and aspirational. This was Frutiger Aero, a distinctive design language that dominated our screens from roughly 2004 to 2013, embodying the cheerful futurism of the Web 2.0 era. Its name, Frutiger Aero, is a fusion. Frutiger refers to the humanist sans serif typeface, often favored for its clarity and approachable warmth, a common sight within this aesthetic. Aero points to the Windows Aero interface, the style's most iconic incarnation, introduced with Windows Vista in 2007. Emerging around 2004, Frutiger Aero was a stylistic departure from the stark minimalism of the early 2000s and the industrial grit of Y2K designs. It ushered in a world of skeuomorphic realism, but with a lighter, almost ethereal touch. Key characteristics included prominent glass morphism, translucent elements with a frosted blur effect, giving a sense of depth and layers. Glossy, reflective surfaces abounded, from buttons that seemed to catch the light to icons with a tangible, almost wet sheen. The color palette was rich and vibrant, favoring blues, greens, and aquas, often paired with bright whites and subtle gradients that suggested light sources. Visual motifs frequently included bubbles, lens flares, and natural elements like water, sky, and soft light, creating an inviting, almost utopian digital landscape. Its peak, from 2007 to 2010, saw Frutiger Aero become ubiquitous. Beyond Windows Vista and 7, its influence permeated early smartphone interfaces like Apple's iOS with its realistic app icons and textured backgrounds. Gaming consoles too embraced the trend. The Xbox 360's blades and later NXE dashboards, the PlayStation 3's Xros Media Bar, XMB, and the Nintendo Wii menu all showcased elements of glossy realism and fluid navigation. Even early iterations of social media platforms and prominent websites adopted its vibrant, approachable aesthetic. Visuals shift to faster, flatter interfaces from the early 2010s. But as the mobile revolution accelerated, a new design philosophy emerged. By 2011, the demand for speed, simplicity, and cross-platform consistency led to the rise of flat design. Glossy textures and heavy skeuomorphism were deemed superfluous and inefficient for smaller screens. Windows 8's Metro, later modern, UI, iOS 7's radical redesign in 2013, and Google's evolving material design firmly pushed the digital world towards a cleaner, more minimalist future. By the end of 2013, Frutiger Aero had largely receded, becoming a relic of a bygone era. Yet, its legacy remains, a nostalgic reminder of a time when our digital tools aimed to be not just functional, but beautiful, optimistic, and deeply, playfully immersive.